irritating bloating can be, especially when you're trying to put on that new outfit. Well, today, during this 5 minute workout, yes, I said 5 minutes, I'm going to show you 10 workouts that help me boost my metabolism and go from this to this in 9 months. We're only going to do each exercise once, so be sure to go hard. And if you're here for the premiere, congratulations. You have a chance to win the prize at the end. Let's get started. Right here, 10 seconds, and then we're gonna go into the step and twist, just like this. 5, 2, 1. Step just like this. Let's do this for another 20 seconds. And if you want to, you can add your dumbbells. I have mine right behind me, but use that body weight. All right, now we're gonna go back into another walk for 10 seconds. Remember, give it your all. Get those knees up, get those arms pumping. The next exercise we're gonna do is high kicks, like this. Make sure you keep your back up, your core nice and tight. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Back into the walk. After each exercise, we're gonna do a walk. Now we're gonna go into the double knee, like this. We're gonna switch sides. Remember, keep that core nice and tight. 3, 1. Good job. Whew, walk it out. The next exercise we got here, we're gonna reach out and tap our foot like this. Okay? Make sure you keep that core nice and tight. And reach, really, really reach. You're doing great. Open up your body with a little twist as we get rid of that bloat. We're gonna walk it out. Keep up those knees, okay? The next exercise we're gonna do is the bicycle crunch, like this. Keep going. Make sure you bring that knee up to your elbow. If you can't get it all the way up there, you can do it halfway. And we're walking. Good job. Walk it out. All right. Don't get lazy on me. Don't quit. Keep going. Next, we're going to reach to the ground and reach up like this. Remember to keep that core tight. And as you come up, give those glutes a little squeeze. 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Good job. You got this. All right. So we're gonna do a side punch step like this. Remember, we're only doing each exercise one time, and you're halfway there. Keep it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Good job, good job. The next exercise we're going to get into is the rainbow arms. And we're going to step side to side like this. While you're doing this exercise, remember to open up your arms, because when you open up your arms, you should start to feel some burn in your arms. And we're going to barely bring them down to the side. All right? Walk it out. Good job. Come on. Get those knees up. The next exercise we're going to do is back taps. But if you can't do it like this, just step it. I'm going to step it because I do modified exercise. But make sure you give it your all. 2, 1. Walk it out. You're almost there. You're almost there. Keep it up. The very last one. That went fast, right? So now we're going to do high knees. 3. Okay? We're going to do these for 15 more seconds. That went quick. Let's get it up. 3, 1. Now we're gonna walk it out. Get that bloat on out of the way. We're gonna walk it out. Let's keep moving your feet slowly. That way you don't just come to an abrupt end and your body knows that you are almost done with your workout. 3, 2, 1. Made it to the end of the video. Congratulations. I'm going to give you a few more tips that'll help you decrease your bloat aside from exercise, and also I'll tell you guys about the prize. So 1, you want to increase your water intake. 2, decrease your sodium intake. And 3, after a large meal, take a walk. We all want to be comfortable in our clothes, and nobody wants to be bloated or walking around looking like they're pregnant and they're not. So let's get on it. All right, the prize that you guys are gonna win, if you were first to watch the premiere of the video and you follow me on Facebook, then you would have seen the post with 3 things you had to do to claim the prize. The prize is a brand new yoga mat, just like mine. So, you guys, thank you again for watching the video. There'll be a new video dropping every Sunday, so make sure you turn on that notification bell to let you know whenever I drop a new video. All right.